Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today's update, channels, and what's coming up and so forth as well. If you guys haven't, please do subscribe, like, and share and help out the channel. Check out our Discord or Patreon down below as well. I already put a short out. This is the last of my friends Tyranid I'm going to paint. I forgot the name of this. It's like a Forge World piece. It's very interesting to find a lot of 3D prints that you can, pay for like, for a short amount of money and the resin and print something that it's supposed to be like hundreds and thousands of dollars for meagerly around $10 to $15. I would say. I think this would be like $8. Um, with the resin I'll use, this will probably be $4. So it is interesting and intriguing in many ways. I did print a majority of my Nurgle army. After I print this, you see a lot of videos and shorts that I will be assembling my Nurgle army, drilling them, putting them on base and flying base and stuff like that. There are a lot of files that I cannot get due to GW is shutting them a lot of them down. So if you see a lot of them on Cult 3D or My Mini Factory or Yagai or whatever that thing's called, get them and save them because the people they are just removing them all left and right. Just letting you guys know. So well, that is happening, and Nurgle Army is going to be painted. So majority of May is going to be Tyranids painting normal and speed paints of it. So when hitting towards June, you see parts of Nurgle and parts of D&D painting. I need to get some of my D&D minis painted because I have whole boxes of them that needs to be painted and taken care of and move on to the next project. Speed paint. I am going to buy the speed paint end of next month. That 27th of May is releasing Speed Paint 2.0. It is a pricey it's a pricey price tag for it, but I think it's well worth it on how fast I'm able to paint a lot of the figures, especially the Tyranids, for it, for that as well. But it is what it needs to be done to get a lot of minis done, a lot of videos to be made, and I'm very aggressive in social media and Discord and on YouTube. I am thankful for everyone that has subscribed and wants to support this channel, and I thank you guys very much for it. I do need death guards. I do need death guards. I do need some couple of the unclean ones. That I have a hard time getting files for. See the rot ones, I believe. There's a sorcerer version of the unclean one. So I'll be spending money on that. I am going to get the new Dante. That just released pre-order. I'm going to get that. I was about to get the lion, but that's sold out. So I do not want to pay the scalper cost for it. Anyone wants to pay, wants to make a deal with me, and I, you know, pay for what it's actually worth. That'd be great. If not, I'll wait 2 months and get it individually, because I do have the Wrath of the Soul Forge set that I need to build, and I have going to make a Dark Angel set and a Chaos set as well for that. Um, so we're gonna get a new 10th edition pre-ordered for it and speed paint. So that'll be in future videos. But you see a lot of shorts what I'm working on and what I'm working on right now. Then couple weeks to a month, those painting videos will show up. If Warhammer is getting more popular videos than Dungeons and Dragons video, I am probably gonna be sticking more towards Warhammer or Age of Sigmar type video painting videos. I'll probably stick more to that, but I need to paint a lot of my unpainted shame that I have out in downstairs and in here as well. I 3D printed a lot of stuff for the past 2 to 3 years, and I would like to get them painted and get them displayed, or I need to find also a storage unit for them as well. A lot of storage unit is very expensive. I'm probably gonna buy a lot of the foams and find an actual big container for me to put them all in, just to make life a lot easier. And I need to get a label maker for that as well. Um, I don't know if we're going to do another collaboration with Moid for next month. If he asks me to do it, we our two videos of what his figures are going to be coming out for next month. And I might want to get some anime figures in here as well. It's just I'm just happy that I'm actually doing a lot of this thing. This actually keeps me busy, even though my back is killing me and my hands are killing me, but it is keeping me busy. And that's one of the main thing is keeping me busy. I would like to collect all the factions of the Warhammer, Age of Sigmar, and Fantasy. I like to have a lot of the fantasy ones, especially the Lou D&D type models that I see people make, and anime figures as well. That's just me, but it is it is a great honor for me to actually do this. I never constantly have videos for for people, but I am going to take a break on Friday because I need to get stuff set up for Nurgle and do see a lot of shorts on Friday just for that. And I just found out 2 hours and a half intervals of shorts, they start losing its views. So after 2 hours and a half of that short, might be another short on top of that. I'm just trying to get the momentum going and try to get stuff going as well. I know there'll be a lot of new Primaris type units for it. I'm looking at the new 10th edition rules. I will know how to play it effectively and try to play a few games with one of my buddies. So we'll have a nice painted Tyranid for that. Because a lot of the short, when you see me battling these Tyranids, and they're like not even primed yet for it. And I'm probably gonna buy another 10 bottles of resin of Sunlu. If you guys want cheap resin that's very good and effective, Sunlu, go to the site. Don't buy on Amazon. Buy a six or more, and it goes by $17.99 per bottle, per a liter a bottle. So just letting you guys know for that as well. After done with Nurgle, I want to try to do some Slanesh, and after Slanesh, I want to do some Chaos. I also want to buy some TW models, but they're very expensive. Once the channel goes up, once we get donation for Steam Lab or Patreon, I can start buying stuff for this channel and start doing more stuff for this channel. That is the main goal for it, is try to get more models and paint more of them as well, and trying to, and pretty soon I am going to upgrade this computer by end of November. When Cyber Monday happens, I am gonna get a new PC so I can actually stream video games to you guys. I used to stream a lot of video games on this computer. It's just that it's been very taxing. This is a very old PC I had since 2016, and I bought older chip models before that because it's a lot cheaper towards that time. But we will get. I have a lot of plans to do. I have a lot of bottle of paints I get used up. I'm gonna buy another fresh new pigment set paint because I can tell a lot difference with the newer set of paints that are out now than what they were like 5, 10, 20 years ago that I still have for it. So I'm gonna get that done. And yeah, so we might have a birthday stream. My birthday's gonna be next month. I gotta find replacement models for some of my orcs because it's missing some of the guns and fireplace and stuff like that. So I need to try to figure out where I can actually find replacement parts for a lot of these things for the kill team that I really do want to paint. I'm probably going to magnetize this into one of the things for a carrying case as well. So I might make up a custom made carrying case and start magnetizing a lot of these things. So it'll be easier for transport, big enough for to put a tank in, or a great unclean one for that as well. Well, thank you guys for everything. This is the update for now. Hopefully I'll have a lot more to show by next week. Thank you guys for very much. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.